Ever wondered why society has such rigid expectations for what constitutes a sexy girl? It's a question that's been buzzing around for ages. Society often paints a stereotypical picture of a sexy girl. The media, pop culture, and societal norms have all played their parts in crafting this image. A sexy girl, as per these norms, is often perceived as someone who is physically attractive, but lacks intelligence or ambition. There's an underlying assumption that sexy girls are promiscuous. They're not serious about life, they're not ambitious. These myths are so deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness that they're almost accepted as truth. But here's the kicker. These assumptions aren't based on solid ground. They're just stereotypes, loosely woven with threads of misinformation and bias. So, we're left asking ourselves, but are these assumptions truly reflective of reality, or are they just baseless stereotypes? It's time to challenge these misconceptions and set the record straight. Firstly, the notion that attractiveness does not correlate with intelligence or behavior is a myth that has been debunked by numerous studies. In fact, research has shown that there is no scientific basis for this stereotype. A girl's physical attractiveness has no bearing on her intellectual capacity or her behavioral tendencies. Moreover, the idea that sexy girls can't be ambitious, driven, or successful is another myth that needs to be dispelled. On the contrary, there are countless examples of women who are considered attractive and are also incredibly successful in their respective fields. They are CEOs, lawyers, doctors, engineers, and even Nobel laureates. They are breaking barriers and shattering glass ceilings, proving that beauty and brains are not mutually exclusive. Now let's discuss the harmful effects of these stereotypes. They create unrealistic expectations and pressure for women to conform to a certain image. This can lead to low self-esteem, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Furthermore, these stereotypes can perpetuate gender inequality, as they can lead to discrimination in various areas such as education, employment, and social opportunities. In addition, these stereotypes can also have a negative impact on society as a whole. They can hinder progress by limiting the potential of half the population. They can also perpetuate harmful norms and attitudes, leading to a less inclusive and equitable society. So, as you can see, these stereotypes are not only false, but can also be damaging. The question is, are you ready to challenge your own perceptions? It's time to break the shackles of stereotypes. What if sexy isn't just about looks, but about confidence, charisma, intellect, and individuality? What if sexy is about embracing your own uniqueness and not conforming to societal expectations? It's time to redefine sexy on your own terms. It's time to own your power, your intellect, your individuality. Remember, being sexy is not about fitting into a societal mold, it's about embracing who you truly are.